Many Christians are closely watching how it grows. This is because Bible talks about the Euphrates River in relation to the fall of 4 angels, which happens after the river has dried up totally. But just recently, a shocking video showed a place that made strange noises. People said that the place was on the Euphrates River, and the noise came from beneath the ground through a hole. People who resided in the area thought the voice was from fallen angels locked up so they would produce a sound like they were requesting assistance.